everyone. What's up? Let me know if you can hear me. Sorry, I'm sweaty. All right. And our phone is up today. All right. Today we are recording upward because I can't record for some reason sideways. So sorry, I'm sweaty. Obviously, I'm outside working, doing a little bit of balling. But today I wanted to talk about different ways that you guys get approved for some business loans and business credit cards. Okay. Because, you know, I've talked about this a couple of times, but we really need to dive a little deeper. So let me take my headphones out so y'all can hear me a little bit better. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. These headphones out. Let me know if you guys can hear me. Good morning. Sorry, I'm like all sweaty. Good morning, everyone. So today we are at the beach. Thank you. Let me know if you can hear me. You can hear me? All right, perfect. So I wanted to talk a little bit about how to get approved for a business loan and business credit cards because a lot of you all have been like reaching out to me, texting me and saying, hey, look, I'm interested in a business loan or I need some funding, right? I need some funding in general. There is no way around this, okay? You gotta have good personal credit. The reason why I say that is because now that we have this new, like, beautiful, bittersweet student loan situation, forgiveness, it's harder, it's much more tough, to get approved for lending. So you guys have to make sure your personal credit is at 700 or above because let me tell you, and I was saying 680. Now 680 is literally the bare minimum, but yes, ultimately 700 or above with your personal credit. So there are a couple ways you can dispute. We could do online disputing. If you are a victim of fraud, you could do identity theft reports to the FTC and have this information removed. And also you can join a credit repair firm or of some sort, and have that information removed. But you guys have to have good personal credit. I'm partnered up with Absolute Profit Solutions, okay, which is a really, really good credit repair firm. And let me tell you, they are not playing over there, okay? So if you guys need some personal credit repair help, I can definitely, plug you in and point you in the right direction because personal credit repair or personal credit is very vital when you are applying for business credit cards and loans, okay? Now with credit cards, you can get approved with having bad credit. Yes, don't let nobody tell you. You can get approved for business credit cards with having bad credit, and you can get approved for business credit cards without having any credit at all because there are credit cards out there that are called no PG credit cards, okay? Which means no personal guarantee, which means no co-signer, which means it's just you. Sorry that my phone is up today. I couldn't turn it sideways for all of you guys that are watching me on your laptops and, your TVs and stuff. So, yes, number one, have good personal credit repair. Number two, good personal credit. Number two, make sure your business foundations are actually correct. What I noticed yesterday, I had some clients that I was, servicing in the business credit space. And what I noticed is that when we logged into their Dun and Bradstreet dashboards, their addresses were incorrect, right? And it's even the same with my business. And I don't know if this is like a Dun and Bradstreet thing right now, but we need to make sure it's very vital, especially in the fourth quarter. It's very vital to make sure that all of your business information all across the board with all four of the business credit bureaus is accurate. Okay, you want to make sure that that business name is accurate, the EIN is reporting on there, and you want to make sure that business address is accurate. Okay, remember I said this before, when you guys are applying for lending and they put your business address, right, and you put it on the application, and that business address is like home base or residential, they can actually see that, okay? The data that they collect actually tells them, hey, this is a residential area. Therefore, this is not an actual brick and mortar or actual business address, okay, or commercial address. So that kind of dings you in the process of getting approved for like possibly a loan or any opportunity. And we don't want any dings or any like negatives against us, because we just want to get approved straight through the game. So the best way to get yourself approved for any business credit card and any business loan opportunity is to have a credit score of 700 or above, and that is with Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Having a Dun& Bradstreet Paydex score of 80 or above, and it only takes your foundations to get there. It is not hard to get to 80 or above for a Paydex score. As long as your business foundations are set and built, you are good to go. And then 3, for SBA lending, you need to have a FICO SBSS score of 150 or above. FICO SBSS, that's a small business scoring sector, okay? Yes, there are 4 business credit bureaus or business credit reports that we must pay attention to, okay? The issue is that when you guys are applying and say you get denied, remember what your personal credit looks like. Remember what derogatory marks are reporting. And just remember how you've been banking since you've been banking as well, because all of those factors really do play in to your approval odd, okay? Um, Bank rates, okay? Bank rates. And I'm just answering a few questions because I've just, been noticing some questions that are pretty common in my consultations. Bank rates. So there's two different definitions with bank rates. Obviously, you have like a bank rate that's like with your bank, right? But then you have a bank rate when it comes down to just like general consumer data, right? And so this is pertaining to information on how you bank and your business with your business banking situation. And with the bank rate, it tells it tells the lender or whatever what that average daily amount you keep in your business bank account, and that determines your credit limits and your loan limits. Okay, so with that being said, I always say this, and if you can spare it, or if you can or you can't, I understand. If you're a startup, you should definitely build your business bank account to this point. Having 10K in that account every day, reporting every day, on a consistent basis, that is what's going to get you those American Express charge cards. And that is the bare minimum. Because remember, the bare minimum, as far as in a successful business, for getting like $100,000 or more in like business loans and stuff, is being able to handle, at least $120,000 annually. And that is generating at least 10K a month. Okay. So if the bank rate has something to do with your average daily balance that you have in your business bank account. So just you want to keep that in the thousands range. It doesn't have to be like I highly recommend it. It's always 10K, but realistically, if you are starting, like I said, even if you put $1,000 in there and you scale up to 5K, let that 5K sit in there for a while, and then you double up that 5K, but you don't spend it, and you just kind of like let it sit in the account. Then you ask that bank that you're building a relationship with for loans and stuff. Now, there is no secret, like really algorithm or template to how you can apply for funding or what's the best funding strategy for you. Each individual is different, each business is different, and each industry is different as well. Okay, so it having, all right, or you don't mind paying back. Okay, make sure you review those terms. So I just wanted to do a quick video this morning or whatever. I'm out here, on the court. I'm out here on the court. I was doing some balling. Oh, the sound went out? Okay, sorry. Let me know if you can hear, if you can or if you can't hear me. Can you hear me? Okay, perfect. So the sound went out, so I'm gonna just double back. Pretty much like what I was saying is that bank rate, that average daily banking amount, very important. Okay, that determines your loan limits, and also having good personal credit. that is going to get you in the key. Now, even if you have a good score, remember you guys, with personal credit, it's not about the score, it's about what's reporting. Okay, so like, even if you do have a good score, you can have a 700 credit score but have all kind of delinquencies, okay, all kind of inquiries and all kind of stuff. Like, they don't want that stuff on there. You don't want no more than 2 inquiries annually, right? And then what else was it? You don't want no more than 2 annual inquiries annually. Sorry if you guys can't hear me still. Cecilia, can you still can't hear me? Let me know. So yeah, sorry you guys. As you know, when we get on live, they always want to steal our shine because we lit. Okay, we lit on live. All right, today is Tuesday. It's a beautiful Tuesday out here. If you guys want to see the beach, you can hear me. You can hear me. Yes, perfect. It's a beautiful day. The beautiful thing, or the amazing thing, is something that I'm showing you guys, and I'm definitely wanting to encourage those that watch me, is look at the ability that I do have, or that we all have as entrepreneurs, to work from anywhere that we want to. You know what I mean? So I decided to come out here because you guys know that I'm doing my self-love journey, as you know. Make sure you go subscribe to my other channel. I'm actually about to change it a little bit to more of a personal vibe, a personal channel. So it's going to be a Superior Shelby vlog channel. But yeah, so you know, I'm on my self-love journey, so I decided to start working from different areas, so that way I can start changing my mindset, you know, and start controlling my mind, because the mind will control you, okay? That brain will control you for sure. So me getting out here, being active, utilizing my time, and being out in the nature, talking to God, and then talking with you guys about finances, which is my favorite topic, is something that keeps me going. Okay, yes, it's cold in Atlanta. Ooh, I'm coming to the A. Yes, I am out here on the beach. Look at the beach. I'm gonna give y'all one good shot. Hold on, let me see if I can do a good shot. I'm gonna give y'all one good shot. You think I could do it? I know I can do it. It's just like that. And just like that, I'm a champ. Just like that, I'm a champ. All right. You guys walk in positive light today. Don't let anything stress you. You control your business. You control your finances. You control your mind. You control your situation. You are in control. You are in control. You are in control. You are in control, okay? You are in control. You are in control of your finances. You are in control of your credit report. You are in control of your business. You are in control of everything that you got going on, okay? You in control. You in control. You in control, okay? So do what you need to do. Do what you need to do to make yourself feel good today. I miss Florida on days like this. 39. Ah! Ah! 39 in Atlanta. Let me tell you, I used to live in Atlanta in 2018. Baby. Listen, I used to live in Atlanta in 2018. I worked at Bank of America in Kennesaw. Hey, everybody, if you know me. And then I worked at like a collection company. And then, but ultimately, those mornings driving from downtown, I don't know why I lived in downtown. I worked all the way in Kennesaw. But driving from downtown to like to Kennesaw every morning to work, and 20 degrees. It was 23 degrees for me. And I was like, oh yeah. And I packed myself. I was like, yeah, I got to come back home. I got to come back home. Miami missed me. Miami loved me. I can't do it. I can't do it. But no cap. No, I have, to be honest with you guys. I have been thinking and contemplating and thinking, and I don't know what God is doing, but I've been thinking about a relocation, and it's been feeling like Georgia. It's been feeling like Atlanta because a lot of you all are coming from Georgia, and I feel like you guys can use a lot of my help. Can you use my help? I'm feeling like y'all can use my help. So, yeah, I might come out there for a little bit for the fall because I love Atlanta in the fall. I love Atlanta in the fall. I love Georgia in the fall. Like, see here, as you can see, this is our fall. La 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 la. La la la. This is fall. Okay. The only orange we getting is the brown from like the palm trees. You know what I mean? That's about it. So I was thinking about coming out to Georgia just to like enjoy the fall vibes. Yes. Oh, I got some Tampa. Yes, if you from Tampa, what's up, 813? What's up, 813? If you, especially if you from Tampa. I was born and raised in Tampa. Yep, I was born and raised at St. Joseph, and I went to Blake High School. Okay, so I'm originally from Tampa, Florida. Bucks, of course. And then I decided when I first started college, I came down here a lot, and next thing you know, then I moved to Georgia, and then I moved to down here to Miami. And I've been here ever since. I've been here for a few years. And down here in Miami, like, I have family down here, so honestly, it's kind of like I'm here too. My from Miami. Yes, all the festivals are definitely about to start. And it's conference time too. If you are down here in Miami, there's actually about to be a conference with my good friend Rosanna. She's actually going to be speaking, which is the biz lawyer. Make sure you follow her. If you don't follow her, make sure you follow her because she is the trademark queen. Okay. So Rosanna, she will be down here speaking, but she speaks on a few occasions, okay, about, just on an inspirational note, and also about the importance of trademarking your business so you could really be your boss, okay? Because you can't be owning a business out here and you ain't really owning no business out here. That's her thing. Yeah, you're relocated to Georgia. You love it. Yep. You live in Kennesaw. Yeah, Kennesaw is beautiful. Thank you. Winter is in Miami, so the coldest it'll get will probably be like a cool 50 something, 50 degrees. And that even that feels like, shooketh. Shooketh. All right. Also, I saw one of my peers yesterday. I was scrolling through like the YouTube because I know y'all do this sometimes, but sometimes I like to scroll through YouTube and see what my peers are doing, especially something that maybe I can learn from my peers. And I saw one of my peers make 67. No, she made $60,000 a month off of YouTube. Let me tell you something. I watched that whole thing and I said, God, please. God, please. $60,000 a month off of content creation. If streaming ain't a big bag, I don't know what is. Okay? Streaming is a bag that's different. This streaming bag is different. Now I get a YouTube check, but 60K? 60,000, you know what can we do with $60,000 a month? We can do a lot. We can do a lot. And I'm so happy for her because honestly, like, she's been on YouTube for a while and it's inspired me so much. Like, it's inspired me. She actually inspires me to like continue on as well. And then I have some other peers, like, some really good ones, like, that talk about like Navy federal plays and stuff like that. And these other women that's on YouTube and that's in social media world that's doing the same thing I do, they are nothing but motivation for me. And it really makes me like happy that and it makes me know that we could do this. We could do this. All right, you guys, I'm gonna close out because I've had you guys on here for a little minute and I've said enough. Okay, this is more of like an entrepreneurial vlog, but mainly I just wanted to come on here and talk to you guys and let you guys know what the realty is, okay? There is no way you can get approved for any of these loans and stuff like that without having good personal credit, without having your foundations set. If you need help with understanding what you need, okay, those lender compliance, you don't know what the hell you need, okay, you just like, okay, well, I got my LLC and EIN, but what's a DUNS number? What's a UEI number? What the hell is all of this other stuff? If you feeling that way, then it's a-okay, because I understand. I felt that way. Make sure you hit me up, text hashtag business, okay, to 305-686-0781. All right. And if you guys need some help with grants, okay, because I know you don't have the time, but a lot of grants have been coming on my desk. I don't know if it's like these YouTube videos that's telling other grantors that I'm the grant girl or whatever, but grantors have actually been emailing me and saying, hey, you know, we would like to do some type of collab, or we would like to do something, which means I can possibly, potentially, and if God's willing, Lord, we might be able to get some guaranteed grant opportunities in here. We might be able to. Okay, so I appreciate you all. Go in light, be in control today. Okay, it's Tuesday. I don't really too much, you know, do the Taco Tuesday thing, but today I might take on the Taco Tuesday with a hint of tequila. All right, so enjoy yourselves today. Okay, I'm gonna finish balling and, you know, probably talk to some clients while I'm out here and just mingle. Love yourself, love myself. All right, peace, and share this video, like and subscribe.